Hi, I'm at the, what's the name of this town again? Hector, Minnesota. There's a restaurant bar out here that got car shows every Wednesday night. So this is the last Wednesday of June in 2020. Camaro. I honestly don't even know what this is. Plymouth. 46 maybe? And I put my car here. That's a good shot. I have to come back and take a still photo of that. Someone parked the F-150, pretty nice. And a Pontiac G6. And a Chevy SSR. And I'm guessing a 55 Chevy 4-door. And could have had the Mustang Camaro next to each other. That would have been pretty cool. Got a Yanko Camaro, Nova. Pretty nice. I think this is the one that was in Shakopee. We got some motorcycles here too. 1 3-wheeler. I have no idea what that is. Homemade. We have one Corvette here. And here's a nice Mustang. It's a Rouse. There's a few people eating and stuff out here. There's a Camaro over there and a Cadillac. I could probably take a picture of that. Motorcycle. Oh, there's one of these guys from Pontiac, right? Oh, it's from Saturn, okay. Pontiac had one just like it. And we're right across from a Chevy dealer that is not around anymore. Okay, we'll talk to you later.